Some couples adopt their child in a different country, and then when the child is here, they're left with a birth certificate still issued by the foreign country. In this situation, a readoption might be best for you. Hi, my name is Gideon Alper, and I'm an adoption attorney practicing throughout the state of Florida. And I want to share with you this useful information about what a readoption is and how it can help you. The biggest problem with a birth certificate issued by a foreign country is that people in the United States are not used to dealing with it. Most of the time it's not even in English, and when the child grows older, the child may need a copy of the birth certificate, and it's very difficult to get a copy. And if the child needs a birth certificate for insurance purposes or for work, the requester of the certificate may not know how to deal with a certificate issued in a different country. Fortunately, the state of Florida has a process to allow a domestic Florida-issued certificate to be issued. This is called a certificate of foreign birth. It looks like a birth certificate. It functions like a birth certificate. In fact, you can go online and order new ones just like a birth certificate. For all intents and purposes, this is a way to get a birth certificate for a child born in a different country. The only main requirement is that it can only be issued after an adoption proceeding in the state of Florida. So even though you've already adopted your child in another country, to get the Florida-based certificate, we have to do a new adoption process where a Florida judge in a Florida court affirms that you're the parents and enters a judgment of an adoption. This will allow the state of Florida to issue the certificate of foreign birth and allow your child to have a domestic certificate he or she can use throughout his or her life. If you have questions about the readoption process in Florida and want to know whether it's best for you, I'd like you to schedule an appointment with me so we can discuss your family situation and see how best to move forward. And thanks for watching.